Yeah, hair treatments, various hair treatments have a very significant impact on what we find in the hair, and in fact, where we find it in the hair. Hair is a very fragile protein from the body, and when you start to heat it, it degrades very rapidly. Consequently, it becomes more porous, which can do two things. If somebody's using drugs and they have large amounts in their hair, that damage to the hair will reduce the level of drug, and can, if the particular result is going to be reported by the use of a cutoff, can take it from above the cutoff to below the cutoff and take it from a positive result to a negative result. Equally, it can have the other effect. Previous use of the drug can now be transferred from the older hair that contains all this drug and transfer it into hair that's recently growing during a period when they weren't using that particular drug. Again, applying a cutoff, if this will be misreporting the earlier use. The hair dye is going to do a number of things, like thermal straightening or thermal degradation of the hair. Caustic solutions that are present in permanent dyes and bleach will also have a very significant impact on degrading the hair. And consequently, it again can make it more porous. It can transfer drugs along the hair both ways. It can clear the drug out, or it can redistribute levels of drug into hair that wasn't exposed to drug use. And of course, all these outcomes, when we are simplifying the interpretation by use of above or below, are now misreporting a lot of these hair segments. The devil is in the detail with these factors. The types of products they've used, so we know what components are in them. If they're using thermal straightening wear on the head, how frequently do they use it? All these factors have to be accumulated because of the significant impact that it will have on the outcome.